published in September 2009. Catching Fire is the second book of the trilogy The Hunger Games. What is the genre of this book? The genre of this book, it is a dystopian novel for young people, also including action, romance, and suspense. Who are the protagonists? The protagonist of this book is Katniss Everdeen and Peeta Mellark. Now, Catching Fire has 27 chapters, but I will talk about the most important. Consequence of Victory, Victory Tour, the quarter film of the 25, the new arena, and the Rebellion and Rescue. Consequence of Victory. Peeta and Katniss were in the eyes of the Capitol because they won the games together and also broke the rules of the games. Victory Tour. After winning, Peeta and Katniss do the Victory Tour on the districts of Panem, and there is where Katniss see the resistance of the district to the games. The quarter club of 25. Well, and the Hunger Games 75 begin with the former winners and President Snow wanted Katniss to die in this arena because the districts to see Katniss her as a whole. Now, this is the former winners, and this is the alien districts: Philip, Joanna, Max, Peter, and Mahar. The new arena. In the new arena of the games, there are much dangerous challenge, but Katniss, Peeta, and the district elite survive together. The rebellion and rescue. The rebellion and rescue. Katniss, Peeta, and the district's elite create a plan to escape from this arena, but Peeta is kidnapped by the Capitol, and Katniss is rescued by the District 13. Well, I recommend that this book is very interesting. I like the plot, and it is my favorite. I consider my favorite. Thank you, teacher, and for your attention.
Thank you so much.